welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show how you can make a beautiful gift box at home. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take an empty cardboard box, whichever you have. Then using a pair of scissors, cut the two smaller flaps. As you can see that my cardboard box is very thin, so to make it sturdy I am using two cardboard pieces. I'll stick one cardboard piece inside the box and the other on the flap. Now for the base coat I am using white acrylic color. After the base coat is dried, I am drawing a rectangular pattern over the box. You can draw any pattern of your choice. Now I am going to paint the box using acrylic colors. After painting the entire box, I'm using a 3D outliner to decorate it. All know that Diwali is on its way, and to gift our near and dear ones, these handmade boxes are a great idea. You can keep anything inside them like dry fruits, jewelry, etc. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching. And do let me know in the comment section what you think about today's video.